Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Sridevi's untimely demise has created gloominess in the nation. Celebrities from actors to corporates are still not able to sink in the fact that she's no more. People including her fans are still mourning the diva's death. And one of them is Google CEO Sundar Pichai. The business executive paid a heartfelt tribute to Sridevi in his latest tweet. He wrote, "The performance in Sadma was one of my favorites and I have special memories of watching Sridevi with my family. She was a pioneer and an inspiration to so many of us. So very sorry for your tragic loss and may she rest in peace." Sridevi had gone to Dubai to attend the wedding of her nephew Mohit Marwah, where she passed away on February 24th due to accidental drowning in her hotel's bathtub. News Desk.